Hey everyone, welcome to our channel NutriMania. Today we are here with a surprise for you all. But to know that surprise, you have to watch our video till end and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. It's a common problem that what can we make for our families that's healthy and tastes good. Here's the good news. NutriMania presents CookZilla that brings you the solution to your diet food problems. We bring you plenty of easy and quick, healthy and delicious food choices which you can choose to maintain or improve your health. The aim of creating CookZilla is solely to clear all the myths that you people have regarding nutrition. CookZilla will bring you knowledge about diet versus disease, that what to eat in a certain condition and how you can eat by presenting easy and healthy recipes for different disease patients. CookZilla will scientifically prove the role of food in treating different disease by limiting or adding certain nutrients. We will introduce DASH diet and bread diet to you people. CookZilla will be helpful for all age groups because we will give you a variety of healthy ideas about foods like healthy breakfast ideas, healthy snacks ideas, healthy lunch ideas, healthy tea time ideas, healthy dinner ideas, healthy smoothies, protein bars, healthy desserts, because healthy eating doesn't mean that you have to skip dessert. There are many low-fat or fat-free options which CookZilla will bring to you to lighten up your traditional desserts. Healthy soup recipes, healthy pasta recipes, healthy sandwiches, healthy salads, food ideas or options in different disease, anti-inflammatory foods, gluten-free recipes and low-sodium diets. I hope you all must be excited to know all these things. Don't worry, our next video will develop your excitement. Till then, stay blessed and stay connected.